This aquaculture system has high density, low cost, long service life, saves land resources, and can efficiently control fish and shrimp diseases. It mainly consists of aquaculture ponds, water supply systems, oxygen supply systems, sewage systems, and power supply systems. When supplying water, the deep well pump sends the water pump to the main water supply pipeline, and then the water flows through the pipeline to the fish pond. The fish pond is composed of galvanized sheet, PVC cables, fish toilet, and water pusher, micronautives, aerator tray. When supplying gas, the rose blower inputs air into the main supply pipeline. The air reaches the bottom of the fish pond through the micronautives. The sewage system includes a fish toilet, branch sewage pipes, and main sewage pipes. The bottom of the fish pond adopts a conical structure. There are 3 ways to discharge pollutants in the system. The first method is to control the height of the overflow pipe and maintain the balance of the water level in the breeding pool. The second method is to regularly drain 3 times a day and pull out the first riser on the upper part of the overflow pipe. The third method is to open the bottom drain valve if all water needs to be drained. The power supply system includes normal power supply lines and diesel generators used during power outages. This system has become the most popular aquaculture system due to its unique advantages.